A major and historic change has taken place in India's government healthcare system. A new step has been taken to make government hospitals more modern and technology driven so that patients can receive better treatment with the help of advanced tools. The country's first government hospital based artificial intelligence clinic has been inaugurated at the Government Institute of Medical Science in Greater Noida. This move is being considered a major and significant achievement not only for Uttar Pradesh but for the entire Indian healthcare sector. The AI clinic was inaugurated online by the Additional Director General of Health Services, Government of India. This clinic has been established under the GIMS Center for Medical Innovation with the aim of providing AI-based healthcare facilities directly to doctors and patients in a government hospital. Its primary objective is to provide AI-based healthcare startups with the opportunity to develop, test, and validate their solutions in a real-world clinical environment. GIMS Director, Professor, and Pediatrician Brigadier Rakesh Kumar Gupta stated that this initiative will provide new opportunities and access for healthcare startups. He called it the need of the hour, ensuring innovation reaches patients and clinicians directly. The report News Now.